Okay, well, Spokane Mike here. There was a comment made about starting this engine, and then this is a cold start, and the way it sounds anyway, I can put my hands all over it here. There isn't anything warm or it is stone cold. There's the manifold right there. So okay, so here we go. The car does talk to you. You can hear the fuel pump and everything kick on. And it just starts up and runs just fine. I have the brake on. I have the door open. You know, there are no lights. There's no anything like that on this car. Everything works. Okay, so now the comment was about the sound. Right now we're going to be on high idle. It doesn't. Oh, there it drops down off. Now that's kind of the sound that it has. It's kind of low. It's kind of a growl. This is all the original stuff on this car. It's cool, man. Okay, now I'm gonna go get some pictures of the underside of it. I'll go put it on jacks for you guys, and I'll get her jacked up. And anyway, I want you guys to know this is a pretty neat car.